What is up, YouTube? All right, so as you can see, I got all of my car washing materials. There's more. I got bigger boxes out there. Woo! So right here, we have the vacuum, leaf blower, Milwaukee, you know, top quality. And then we have the power washer, which is the DeWalt 2100 series. Let's get all this stuff unboxed. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to detail your car at home without touching the car. That's the experiment. You know, I've been watching a bunch of videos. I learned some things. Now I'm gonna put it to the test, first time use. This is the first car wash on the Golf R since I purchased it. I took a over 300-mile trip here. I've driven some miles since I've been here. It's time to give my baby a wash. So basically some of the things we got, we have a Foam Canon I picked up. I also have hoses and things that I need, so I gotta go hook all that up. We got tire brushes. We got the whole kit and caboodle, adapters and everything. So do not worry, everything that I'm using in today's video is linked in the description below. Detailing without touching the outside of the car, no scratches, baby. You know we got that black paint for now until we wrap it. Hey yo, give me wrap colors down in the description below right now. All right, let's get set up.
I'ma need safety, tell her I can't snake me. Ray gun on safety, my girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world, she want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't fake me. I'm going, I keep it factual. I'm on sabbatical, I'm out in Central America.
MJJC Foam Canon Pro, baby, ready to go.
I need a break from hysteria, park like the one with the carousel.
Hey yo, fun fact about the nozzle. The reason why I grabbed this is because I found someone on Etsy that makes a custom nozzle for drying cars. So it's gonna be a snub nose. So I'm gonna use this one today, but as soon as I get the snub nose, I'm gonna show you guys that. It's gonna be super fire. Ooh, good to go.
Been a while, you ain't like me then, but how you like me now? Real one, if I hold you down, I'ma keep it there till we in the ground. Jet black when I paint the town, only blue sheets when they pay me now. Treat it setback like a step back. Wait, I got the game in advice.
Like this.
Way up when the virus hit. All the homies on the flight list. Verbally gifted, take a block and I twist it, got a big lit. Taking the incense, got my mind brains, gonna stop them relentless. I'ma need safety, tell her I can't snake me. Ray gun on safety, my girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world, she want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't fake me. I want a grip for the mouthpiece, so bright that it light on my face. Your shawty just call me a fave.
For foam, we're using the Mega Foam, 100 milliliters in here, which is literally the first line on this setup right here. I should have probably got the big thing of this. Oh yeah.
When I take it from rags to riches, I heard that you claim that you know me, but you ain't the homie. The f is your friendship. I need the loyalty, back up the royalty. I give a f if you notice me. Nobody holding me big waves at your shoreline, so they know it's me. Made boy from the coast sea. Nitro with a new pen, going ISO, tell them don't reach. Ice cold with it, no fleece. I'ma need safety, tell her I can't snake me. Ray gun off safety, my girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world, she want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't fake me. I'm going, hey, look, going, yeah, going, crazy, wave, yeah, crazy, yeah, look, crazy, wave.
So honestly, I'm gonna keep it a buck. The leaf blower, it does a pretty good job. It takes a lot of use. Literally, if I wanted to be super anal about it, I just keep using the leaf blower. It takes a lot of effort and time. As you can see, it's pretty dry. So that leads me to want to get a drying towel, like a large one, so I can just finish it off and get the rest off next time. Just a heads up on the whole leaf blower thing, but it's actually a method. Wow, the scratches on here already in the paint. That's crazy.
Went from MK8 to LA on the run like I don't got in the state. I went from LA to the A on the run, you can tell where I stay.
Okay, so that was my very first time doing a touchless detail. You know, touchless, we'll say that because I did wipe away, but I'm gonna get like 1 or 2 large dry off towels, and I literally would just need it for literally just finishing up. I think the end result is great. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but the car is clean. She clean. She is clean. All right, you guys, so I found that I need at least 1 dry off towel. It's not necessarily that I will be drying off. It's just like catching those little droplets that I don't feel like continuously going with the leaf blower. Now, when it gets warmer out, the car's gonna dry up way quicker. Right now, you know, we in that Midwest, not quite spring, still kind of winterish weather, but I know once it get a lot warmer outside, everything's gonna be way easier, and the leaf blower should suffer. So it's practically touchless, unless you choose a day where it's rainy and gloomy and not so warm. Then you might need a dry off towel. But outside of that, I love the process. The Foam Canon was great. I had to get used to it. I'll be honest, in the beginning, that was my first time ever using one, but once I got the hang of it, I was able to foam. Now, I did find that the hose that I use that connects to the power washer is way too short. I need to go with the 50 foot. I think I did a 25 foot, but I definitely need the 50 foot. So I'm gonna order that one up like right now. The 25 foot is cool, but it's not enough. It's not long enough. And I should have listened to the video that I watched on YouTube, because they did suggest you get the 50 foot. Hey, lesson learned. I took that L, so you don't have to. So if you thinking, oh, you can just get away with the 25 foot, don't even think it, just get the 50 foot. That's pretty much the gist of it. Like right now, I'm about to back my car up. It's clean, and it feels good to have cleaned my car since taking that long 300-mile trip. That's the main thing I just wanted to do. I just want to at least like rinse it off. But I'll do an update video showing the process way better. This was the first time, and I'll show you guys how to do it thoroughly. The car, the wheels, the tires, everything came out extremely clean, so I'm extremely happy with this method. Literally, you don't have to get every single thing that I listed down there, like the power washer, the leaf blower if you want to, you know what I mean? If you really want to go for touchless and you don't want to rub, you know, anything abrasive against your new paint job, the Foam Canon is a must. And then the products, they make it a lot easier. Having a power washer at home for detailing any car, especially if you get a new car, old car, whatever used car, it's the wave. That never gets old. Gotta love it.
Hey, before I let you guys go, I need to show you guys this vacuum. It is absolutely phenomenal. This is clutch. I pulled up the GTI because it had the dirtiest interior, as you can see. I'm sorry. It's been a rough couple years. Nevertheless, I am able to get all of this interior correct. I'm able to get it right. So if you need a at-home vacuum to keep you from running to your gas station or neighborhood car wash, literally this vacuum is the answer. You're welcome.
Guess that's the only way to know how many miles you got is right here before you get in. I'm at 478. We halfway to the break-in, baby. Let's go.
I went from LA to the A on the run, you can tell where I stay. Yeah. Counting all this paper, I chase, no sleep, call me jet lag, baby. Yeah. Counting all this paper, I chase, no sleep, call me jet lag, baby. Been 1,020, spent 100 hundreds. Money come and gone, let's get straight to it.